Blood typing is a test that determines a person's blood type. The test is essential if you need a blood transfusion or are planning to donate blood. Not all blood types are compatible, so it's important to know your blood group. Receiving blood that's incompatible with your blood type could trigger a dangerous immune response. Your blood type is determined by what kind of antigens your red blood cells have on the surface. Antigens are substances that help your body differentiate between its own cells and foreign, potentially dangerous ones. If your body thinks a cell is foreign, it will set out to destroy it. Now let's perform blood grouping. Materials needed are blood, antisera, dropper, slides, and disposable sticks. I will prepare for slides for the 4 different blood groups. It's time to bring out the antisera now. We must make sure that it is at room temperature before we use it. This is the anti-A. It will agglutinate blood that have A antigens. This is the anti-D. It will agglutinate blood that have D antigens. Lastly, this is the anti-B. It will agglutinate blood that contains B antigens. Put 3 drops of blood in the slide. Use 1 slide for each patient. Patient 1. Patient 2. Patient 3. Patient 4. Label the first column, anti-A, the second column as anti-B. Lastly, label the third column as anti-D. Then put 1 drop of anti-A antisera on the first column. Put 1 drop of anti-B antisera on the second column. Put 1 drop of anti-D antisera on the last column. Get disposable sticks. Mix the reagent and blood. Use 1 disposable sticks for each drop. Then tilt the slide back and forth for 30 seconds, with occasional further mixing during 1 minute period of time. Read macroscopically after 1 minute over a diffuse light. In the first slide we can see clumping in the blood drop with anti-A antisera, no clumping with anti-B antisera. We can also see clumping in the blood that contains anti-D antisera. Therefore, the blood type of the first patient is A. Positive. In the second slide there is clumping on the drop of blood with anti, B, and anti, D, and no agglutination in the blood with anti, A. Therefore the blood type is B, positive. In the third slide there is clumping only on the drop of blood with anti, D. There is no clumping on the drop with anti, A, and B. Therefore the blood type is O positive. For the fourth patient there is clumping on all of the blood containing anti, A, B, and D. Therefore the blood type is AB positive. You can blot it in a white paper to see the clumping clearly. That's all for today. Hope you will subscribe and click the notification bell for more.